Beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, no-hype reviews on the latest and greatest in the beauty world. Today, I have something that's all about giving you bold, long-lasting color with a shiny finish. We're talking about the NYX Professional Makeup Shine Loud Liquid Lipstick in Cash Flow. It's a light, dusty rose shade that promises to give you ultra-pigmented, high-shine lips with up to 16 hours of wear. But does it live up to all that? Let's find out. First off, let's break down what you're getting with this product. The NYX Shine Loud Liquid Lipstick comes in a two-step application: a high-pigment base coat, followed by a non-sticky, ultra-reflective top coat that delivers insane shine. The formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and packed with lip-loving oils that are meant to keep your lips comfortable, even with long wear. The claim here is that it won't transfer, bleed, or fade. Sounds pretty perfect, right? I've been wearing this for a few days now, and here's what I can tell you. The first thing that stands out is the color payoff. One swipe really does deliver full coverage, and the shade Cash Flow is a beautiful light dusty rose that would suit a wide range of skin tones. Whether you're into neutral, everyday lip looks, or you want something that can transition from day to night, this is a versatile option. The application is pretty simple. Just swipe on the base coat and then lock it in with the top coat. The base coat feels lightweight and moisturizing, and the top coat? It's where the magic happens. The gloss isn't sticky at all, which is a huge plus in my book. I'm not a fan of the thick, tacky gloss that leaves hair stuck to your lips every time the wind blows. This formula gives you a glassy shine without that annoying stickiness. Now let's talk about wear time. I wore this for a full day to test how it held up, and I have to say, I was impressed. I went through a coffee, lunch, and even a few snacks, and it stayed put. There was no fading or transfer, and the gloss didn't disappear after a couple of hours, which I've seen happen with other glosses. It's a low-maintenance product for sure, but no product is perfect. While the formula is great for longevity and comfort, the gloss layer can start to wear off if you're constantly eating or drinking. The base coat, though, stays on solid, so you may need to touch up the top coat every once in a while, but that's really the only minor downside I noticed. In terms of value, NYX is known for providing great quality at an affordable price, and this lipstick is no exception. Given the longevity, the performance, and the fact that it's vegan and cruelty-free, I'd say it's a pretty solid investment if you're looking for something that gives you both color and shine without the hassle. Comparing it to other high-shine lipsticks, I think it stacks up pretty well. A lot of glosses either lack in pigment or aren't as long-lasting, but NYX manages to combine both. It's definitely an upgrade from basic glosses that you have to reapply constantly throughout the day. Now, is there a similar product that's cheaper? Honestly, if you're in the market for something this high performance, you're getting what you pay for. But if you're looking for something less pricey, a great alternative would be the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, which offers long-lasting wear, though it doesn't quite have the same glassy shine. As for packaging, I like how the NYX Shine Loud comes in a sleek, modern tube that feels durable, and the applicator makes it easy to apply without any mess. So, to sum it up, NYX Shine Loud in Cash Flow is a win for those who want bold color, shine, and lasting power. It's ideal for anyone who's looking for a fuss-free lip product that stays put through daily wear. The slight gloss fade is the only minor issue, but it's easily fixed with a quick touch-up. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the NYX Shine Loud Liquid Lipstick, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.